Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. Mama Rita don't come scatter the table today. Chai, the remaining respect when he dey echo in Surumasi, Mami water body. Mama Rita just finish her. I don't know how Juju Ekwensu is going to survive this. Hey, because she has been giving you people another narrative far from her reality. Mama Rita na don't come expose her. Like when I mean expose, she exposed her to the pants where she wear. Chai, my people. Rita wrote and I read. Hey, na nonsense you snatch o. Ewo. Person wey you snatch it in, go Spain, eat breakfast, go Morocco, eat lunch. And you dey house, dey people. Hey, chai, my people. Before you go about snatching someone else's husband, please check the quality of what you are snatching first. Some husbands are sweet, some are simply meant to be endured. And now, you dey house dey endure. See wetin you do yourself, chai. Ewelo dinweke dimbia. Some people went shopping for a king only to discover they carried home a whole container of problems. She saw the exotic mansion, ewo, not realizing it was built with the sweat, sacrifice, and years of another woman's labor. Hey. She thought the mansion was the man's magic. She carried the man and left the magic behind. Hey, chai. Now the mansion is nowhere to be found. Ewo, mansion don't disappear. The expectation have crashed. The fantasy has expired. Hi, Yedibo. There is no refund policy. Me Edoche not do refund policy here. No exchange, no return to sender. You have to hold him there. Hey, make sure you are not voluntary for a lifetime of endurance. Hey! Ewo! Hey! Juju Ekwensu romasi mami water. So this is your end. Juju Ekwensu romasi mami water. This is your end. Ogini gini me. Ogini gina bia. Ogini gini me. Neme na bia. Make I speak Igbo wey I no know for you. Ogini gini me. Ogini gina bia. Ogini gini me. Neme na bia. Juju Ekwensu. Me Edoche don run on a street o. Una no fit understand this video. Hi, una no fit understand this video. Me Edoche don run Juju Ekwensu and Amobingo streets. Do you think this whole thing started like this? Mbanuna, it not start like this. Do you think Juju Ekwensu saw all these things and she enter? She not saw and see and saw it. She not saw it. Me Edoche, the only woman why I don't see for this entire world, when he run side chick and her husband street. Chai, my people. When Juju Ekwensu enter into this whole thing, all those names of Amobingo were all in the document. In Ajah Mansion, Village Mansion, account, all. Your name was there. They have access. They have rights. They were already eating the money. No be say she just see, no be say she just start all these things, no dey. No. Amobin go carry am go Ajah Mansion. Show am the place where she go stay. Ask am say, which color do you want me to paint the room? Now so, he don't carry am go. So these people already know that Ajah Mansion go reach their hand. Village Mansion, they go collect am. Like, they've already planned everything. Their own are just, once she enter house, either she send me Edochie enemy to her ancestors, or she chase her out of the mansion. That two option she take on. No be say all these things, say Yul Edochie name, say Amobingo name no dey. Amobingo name dey. They saw it. Juju Ekwensu saw it. And she rushed into this house. And she rushed into the life. And she rushed into the marriage of me Edochie, because she saw the money, she saw the mansions, she saw the land, she saw property, she saw assets. This was what attracted her to this man. But today, the Amobingo family, they cry. They are crying, number one, because Amobingo, as I dey talk to Naso, debt na full neck. Juju Ekwensu wanted to inherit paradise on earth. She wanted to reap where she did not sow. But me Edochie run the streets. Run the streets anyhow. As I dey talk to Una, believe me, hey, Amobingo is in debt. Big debt. You know you're waiting Mama Rita talk. You go snatch no sensibility. The man did debt. This was not their plan. Their plan was to collect everything and chase me Edochie out of her own house. Then Juju Ekwensu believe, say na Amobingo get her. Yes. Because Amobingo name was attached to it. The moment me Edochie smell that things are not going the way they are going, the woman changed everything without telling Amobingo. After all, you don't get anything there. They just add him to it. Not be say get with it, he really donates. So when me Edochie see this man is way not pure, me Edochie change everything. Then we are still holding on to the old papers of the house. They were holding it. Amobingo don't carry the paper of Ajah Mansion, the paper of Village Mansion, give Juju Ekwensu, say make it keep on. Before he introduced Juju Ekwensu, all the documents, land and everything, they were already in possession of Amobingo. But what they did not know is that document where they their hand, me Edochie don't change the name. But after me Edochie changed the name, after me Edochie changed the name, she not bring the new document to the house. She gave it to her elder sister. Now, elder sister can't keep all the documents. She can't leave the old one for them. So anytime when you Amobingo go check, the one way they in hand and the one way they with me Edochie, they correspond. But what he did not know is that me Edochie don't remove everything where she changed, go give her sister. So these two evil planners, they already have it in mind. Is it that me Edochie accept Ekwensu romancing Mami Water, or they chase her out? Because for the paper, this was how me Edochie loved this man. Me Edochie, for their paper of their house, she not put say, oh, I have 80%, he has 20%. 50-50. Even if Amobingo not contribute 1 naira to any of these properties. Me Edochie shared it 50-50. And that same 50-50 way me Edochie give this man. Now this man be want to wound me Edochie. Now he want to deal with me Edochie. So they were very comfortable, thinking that everything did their hand. Thinking that, oh, they've won this battle. Very soon me Edochie I go clear. They go show her Pepe. They go show me Edochie Pepe. They go show her this eyes. Hey, she go cry. That was their plan. They don't know say the woman don't run the streets. The time when they can't say no, say me Edochie don't run the streets. Now the time when they use Edochie come, they say, I won't go sell land. Hey, this land, let me sell it. Now the time when Amubingo say no, say me Edochie run the streets. Now the time where they freeze bank accounts. He can rush carry those paper. He want we go they sell some property. Make it get money. And they tell and say those paper don't expire. Those paper are not they valid again. There is a new paper. Amubingo call they follow that they drag. No, this is the paper. They say no. This is the old one. There was this one before, but there is a new paper. Now dear you Edochie come. Now dear Amubingo come say, me Edochie, the woman is not joking. Me Edochie don't keep all her things. Now dear, they can't begin no. When Judy Austin come, when they come in Suromasi Mami Water come find out, she come begin to drag Amubingo. Make they fight for Ajah mansion. That was the time they were dragging that mansion with this woman. They will carry Juju go put for them. Even with the court paper and everything, they are still fighting for that mansion because that was what brought Ekwensu to that house. Ekwensu don't love Amubingo. I just the look and way they talk about love. Ekwensu don't love you. A woman that truly loves you, when she wake up in the morning, she'll send you a message. If she have anything to praise you, she will do it and send it to you privately. Anything we don't enter social media as love, forget it, there is no love there. Ese Mary Jeffo, Ese DK, you are the king upon my head. You're on camera. If you talk waiting not clear now, you still go back again. You delete that video, you start all over again. Is that love? Is that love? This woman came for property, came for assets. But me Edochie run the streets, frustrate them. When Juju Ekwensu find out, say, you have nothing in all this property. She faint oh. Una no hear that one. I tell her, say, if we continue to talk the story of Juju Ekwensu, a lot of people will shock. When they go court, they came back. Me Edochie have changed everything, frozen the accounts. That means they have nothing. You Edochie not carry anything. How Juju Ekwensu want to carry? They say the woman faint. Juju Ekwensu faints. Because she never came because of love. She came because of what she will gain from these people. For what she will gain from me Edochie household. My people. Now that one be the pepper body when you call enter Juju Ekwensu body. When you call the verse for me Edochie. Because they couldn't collect nothing. Nothing. Now, the Amubingo when he snatch, thinking that this man is the father of all the property. Thinking that Amubingo is the owner of the mansion, the owner of the cars, the owner of the land, assets, and all. Juju Ekwensu come find out, say, this man is a squatter for me Edochie house. Hey! May God not let us snatch wetin we no fit explain. Wetin we no fit describe give people. How is your husband? Hey, you first say, Anyway, mo forget that one. Fear me Edochie. You see this woman call me Edochie. If you no fear am, you get liver. Fear me Edochie. The woman run the streets. Juju Ekwensu body composer. Hey, this man don't get anything. Hungry can start to they beat them. They can't they jump from flat to flat. They can't they jump from flat to flat. This is the same Ekwensu where Mr. Obasi give full house, full flats. Full flats that Mr. Obasi give her. She know they work. She know Mr. Obasi did not even want her to work. Now that school where she just go, the man was giving her everything. The man will even go outside the pocket just to satisfy Juju Ekwensu. But now Juju Ekwensu, when he run leave for husband, Juju Ekwensu will be say she run leave her husband. He can't jam man when he go to tell and say, just get patient, they never pay me. Hey, just get patient, they never pay me. Now the life wey Juju Ekwensu come dey live. No money, nothing. Starting all over from square one. Now dear Juju Ekwensu no say she don't buy markets. She no collect and come cry come outside. Because Nigerians will, they go swallow them. They no go chop and they'll just swallow them like python. She no collect and cry come outside. Now so they endure which they endure for Abuja to start. No coming out, no going out, no coming in, just indoor, morning till night. What kind of life is that? Now Juju Ekwensu can they live? So this is how Ekwensu lost all property. That's why they dislike me, Edochie. That's why Juju Ekwensu will go to any length to talk to Bola warriors to drag me, Edochie. Because just one game we me Edochie play, all of them scatter. She want to come and reap where she did not sow. For the sweat and labor of this woman. And the worst part of it now is that this same Amobingo, when May Edochie was married to, was never in debt. Amobingo not dey owe anybody money. One person no fit come and say, this man is holding me 1 naira, 10 naira, 100 naira, 1,000 naira. He not dey. May Edochie cover up that space. But as I'm talking to you now, since when May Edochie tell them say, oh yeah, make una carry they go, I no need again. Amobingo is in serious debt. This man dey owe money. Amobingo debt wey dey neck, he pass his head. The papa dey surprise, dey shock. What did you do with money? What did you do with money? Now wetin they ask her? You know they see mouth they talk. So you see Amobingo now. The reason why he's desperate to post that film, make una go watch the film. This man dey in debt. The Edochie family, they are in shock. The total amount of debt wey dey Amobingo head. Hey. Then they say they can't explain. They are confused. They can't explain. They no fit explain wetin dey happen. The kind of debt wey dey Amobingo head, they shock. Hey, my people. Now Amobingo is nothing. Now Lizzie Gold now they save on that day when they come see small film when they say they put food for mouth. Juju Ekwensu dey Abuja, the woman is suffering. Suffering. The daughter come out that they can't talk now. When I remember, say the daughter can't talk. Some people, okay, not before here for talking, and the other side are for talking. The daughter come outside, can't complain. Talk, say, see the situation where they go through. Say all is not well. You don't know why mama no hungry go. The daughter talking. Now Mama Rita don't confirm. I know say if we carry details come, you people sometimes you doubt. It's normal because a lot of people want you to post the video, which it can never be possible. Can you defend me? Right now, Amobingo dey in debt. The whole family, they don't call them, say me they donate. Because the kind of debt where Amobingo dey, it shock them. So if Mama Rita tell you, say, Juju Ekwensu snatch rubbish. She snatched rubbish. Rubbish. When this man was with me, Edochie, he was debt-free. So now, how come? Where debt will come? That is the question. And then they drag Peter Edochie family seriously for this money. So you see, say Juju. So you see, say Juju Ekwensu don't go snatch rubbish. Juju Ekwensu don't snatch rubbish. May Edochie really dealt with them. If to say that woman not deal with them, not be waiting with the talk before they talk now. If to say May Edochie was not a wise woman, if to say May Edochie see Juju Ekwensu and say, oh, let me start fighting for my husband, let me start fighting for my home, they for still throw this woman aside. Juju Ekwensu and you for take over. But the woman first throw away the man for corner. He look and say, this man, Oga first take corner. He throw away you for corner, throw away Juju Ekwensu for corner, run, protect all her property, change all the names. By the time they come, they follow me, Edochie, they make math. Amobingo won't go sell land. And there now he wake up. Now there now he wake up from his slumber. And they tell am say you cannot sell house. This paper no correct. Me Edochie don remove a name for everything. Since you want to start life, start afresh. You can't use our money to start afresh. So that is why Juju Ekwesu is in a critical condition right now. And they meet them. And they meet them. That's why she's in a critical condition. Because me Edochie, Puma play them dirty. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.